Pinapamalas nyo. Bata. Alisin. Hindi kayo naawa sa bata, oh. Nakarang babae. Ngayon, lalaki na naman. Kayo ba yung mag-asawa? Bukay yung tingilan talaga to. O, tanggal mo. Tanggal mo yan. Ano ba kinakikita niyo talaga sa pamilya? Ha? Usimens.
Pera na naman.
Muna ng pera.
Ito pera yan.
Punta sa bangko. Eh, nagsisikap sila eh. Ha? Nagsisikap yung pamilya to. Gagaling pa ba yung bata na yan? Ba't pinagpapalitan-palitan nyo na lang? Yung manas at yung kolesterol nga, pinapalo nyo. Ha? Sa tiyan, sa tiyan.
Starting our ritual.
Kaya tigilan talaga sa pamilya. Ano, boss? Nagbakasyon kayo? Tapos, kukulang-kulang kayo? Tigilan nyo, huwag na kayo mainggit. Busi mo yan. Boss, ang basta dyan, boss, sa dyan.
Marunong ka mag-Tagalog?
Yo?
Ha?
Mga biki.
Marunong ka mag-Tagalog? Speak Tagalog?
Bakit?
Speak English? What are you? Ha? Are you Filipino?
Ano?
Ha?
Anong ayaw?
Nationality.
Oh! Pero,
You answer, you answer.
Itong mga to.
Ha? Ano ka pumasok dyan? Ha? Ha?
What is your nationality?
Eh, kulang para sa inyo pinuntahan.
From Thailand?
Answer, answer.
English, English, English.
Oh, panyaga tong nahuli natin. English. You speak English? You answer.
Yes! Sakit to. Kulang.
Oh. Ah. Are you the one who putting are you the one who's putting a sickness on Zakaria Ginaji? Yes. Why? What is the reason you're giving him sickness? You answer. You answer. You answer. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason? Huh? Ah, it's because of love? It's because of love? Huh? You want to fight me?
No.
Huh?
No, no, no.
Oh, you take away the pain or no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Huh?
Yes.
You stop your witchcraft or no? You stop your witchcraft or no? Huh? You stop?
Stop.
You stop?
Yes, yes.
Okay, use your two hands and take away all the sickness.
Yes, yes.
Take away all the sickness of Zakaria Ginaji. Zakaria Ginaji. Take away! Take away!
Kasi at least hindi na siya
How old are you?
Ano sa'yo kayo? Sila kasi kayo kayo kasi.
How old are you? Ha?
40.
40? Are you beautiful?
Magagawin mo.
Not much?
May usap tayo po.
Magagawin mo. Ha? Magagawin mo.
Ito usapan. Ikaw lalaki ka. Ikaw yung lalaki.
Are you the one who do that or you pay someone? Talk! Are you the one who do that or you pay someone? You pay? How much you pay?
How much? How much you pay?
How much? $500. You pay $500? Is the witch is with you now? In this body? Ah?
Tatanggalin mo.
You are only one who I caught? Ah? Tragis. Tutugoy lang ko nito. Is the witch is with you right now? In this body? Only you? Only you? Oh, we call the witch. We call the witch, ha? You stay, you stay.
Passport
You stay, ha? Sa kapangyarihan ng Diyos, sa lahat ng Diyos, hari sa lahat ng hari, tinatawag ko ang binayaran na mangkukulam ng babae na ito. Nakamansulong naman daw kung marito ka upang matag-usap.
Tanggalin mo sa paa, sa tiyan.
Tanggalin mo. Aplos na katapon. Aplosin mo. Aplos.
Madam, sa'yo na yan, madam.
Aplosin mo.
Pasok sa katawan na yan. Oh. Are you there? Yo. You speak. What are you? Tagalog? English? What?
The witch woman.
You are the witch? How much they pay you? How much? You talk. How much? How much they pay you? How much? 5 what? 500. What? Peso? Dollar? Euro? What? How much?
Mag-asawa na naman kayo?
Dollar?
Kayo na naman mag-asawa?
Okay. You stop or no?
Stop.
Oh, use two hands. Use two hands. Take away the pain. Take away. You stop or no?
Stop.
Ay, yung taga
Oh.
Kanino kong taga-sanction.
Ikaw na.
Napuntahan ko.
Ubus na English ko.
Stop.
Use it.
Madam, where are you from?
Kung po ako sabi mo. Ubus na English ko rito.
Pagagalin mo.
Madam, where are you from? What is your nationality?
Pagagalin mo to ha.
You talk.
What?
US.
US? What is
Tanggalin
your
mo.
problem to Naji?
I like her.
You like him? Okay.
Hindi, yan yung binaran eh.
Laki na inggit niya sa pamilya.
Oy, continue.
Remove all the things that you
Yes, I will. Sorry.
Remove the witchy.
It will come back again here to check it if you remove or not.
I will remove.
Remove the witchy. Remove. Ano may hawak ako eh.
Sorry.
Ikaw na, kaya mo yan.
If you do that again, we will kill you here.
Yeah. Okay.
Tanggal. Masakit talaga yung
What is your decision? Do you want to kill that witch woman and together another woman?
Tanggalin mo muna ha. Tanggalin mo muna yung
Remove the noodles.
Paano mag-get?
Hey, you remove the noodles ha.
Diba yung noodles yun dapat? Kulang bara.
Ayaw pa naman ni Apo ng noodles. Remove the noodles. Remove.
Ano ba itong kulang bara?
What did you put inside of Naji?
Sagot ka sa tanong ko.
What did you put? Madam,
Ayaw pa naman ni Apo istong ng noodles.
Kulang
what did you
bara.
put inside of Naji?
Oh, you talk. I will punish you.
I don't know it.
You talk. Ha?
Put it. I don't know what.
You want the taste of the punishment of Filipino? Ha?
I don't know what she put. I don't
Oh.
know. Sorry. I don't
You want the punishment of the Filipino healer? Ha? Alam nyo. Oh, you take away all and you talk. You better talk. You better talk.
Sorry, I will take
Lagi
it.
yung sinabi mo.
Sorry.
How many years that you gave
Better talk, ha? We are Filipino, don't try us, ha?
How many years?
Kala nyo, kaya nyo kami buli-buliin, ha?
3 years. Where did you meet him?
Tanggalin mo ha.
Where did you meet him, Naji?
Nagkakape ba? Kakape ba ito, kakape?
Where I met him.
Okay, so you are not the Tagalog woman. You are the white girl. You're the US.
Yeah.
Babaero.
I'm so sorry. Sorry.
She said sorry.
Sorry, take it on.
Take away all the noodles.
Aplosin mo.
Oy,
I'm so sorry.
Tigilan nyo na
Sorry.
to.
Sorry. Sorry.
Pagagalin mo ha.
Take away the noodles.
Sorry.
Ano ka dyan? Babae lalaki?
What did you use? Dal or name or dal?
Ba't gano'n ka, ha?
Babae ka lalaki?
That ritual did you use, Naji?
I don't know with the witch because she was the one who did it. I only play with her.
Ano kasalanan nito?
Oy, wala may malas ba?
Are you with him right now? How many of you in their body, in that body?
Isa lang daw siya.
Ah?
Isa lang daw. Pumatak yung
Ano nga kasalanan nito?
Andiyan dyan, dalawa yan.
Ano nga kasalanan nito?
How many of you? Are you two? Two? You're two? Ah? Take away all, take away. Putik ka nila pag guys.
How many persons inside of the body? How many?
You better talk.
Madam, how many? I told you, how many persons inside of this body? How many? You not answer?
Tuta!
Tagal.
Enough.
Oh, you better talk.
Please, enough.
You better talk.
Enough, please, enough.
You better talk.
Enough, sir.
Okay. You better talk. You talk.
Please, I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Ano? Meron pa?
Sorry.
Meron pa ba?
Sorry, I will not do it again.
Say sorry to Nadia.
Sorry, Naji. Sorry if I did it. I'm so sorry.
What is your name? What is your name?
Uy, no name.
English naman to. Foreigner din, nasa ibang bansa to.
Hindi ba tayo maibabarangay niyan?
Hindi, walang barangay dun.
Oh, sigurado ka ha?
Nasa US to, nasa Morocco to.
O sige, you talk. You better talk.
What is your name? You don't like to give your name? Okay, I'll give you punishment again. What is your name? I told you.
You talk.
Give your name. Give your name. What is your name, madam?
Sugat tayo mamaya tungkol sa ano ha? Okay.
What is your name, madam? Michelle what? Your last name.
Oh, meron pa, wala na.
What is your last
Meron
name,
pa, wala
madam?
Ano? Perlichel o?
Sagot ka ba?
Your last name, madam?
Ba't ka nasaktan?
You like another punishment? So give your last name.
Paano ka
Michelle
nasaktan?
what?
Ba't ka nasaktan, no?
What is your last name, Michelle?
Masakit ba? Masakit?
Continue.
Hindi naman
I asked you.
Continue. Take away what you put.
Do you know
Masakit
the
ba,
name,
oh?
Michelle?
Masakit?
She is a 40 years old.
Oo, wala naman na. Hindi ko lang nilipit eh. Pagit lang.
Maybe the name is enough. Please, I'm so sorry. Sorry.
You have already family.
Init na.
Don't give her again any sickness, okay?
Promise.
Promise.
Ano pangalan mo? Ikaw na, bahala ka na.
Okay na.
Pangalan mo naman.
Ha? Sabi niya, pagka tinanggal na daw yung sakit niya, patawarin na.
Ulit dyan.
Ha?
Ulit.
O sige, patayin mo na.
Piniglayan, no? Ganun-ganun mo lang ha. Basta sakit, no?
You remove all ha. You remove all. Don't try to trick.
Pero pag gagawin mo ha.
Don't try to trick.
All the things that
Trick me.
inside of his tummy. His tummy is so big
Ano
now.
kasalanan nito?
Remove.
Remove it all.
Ha? Ano
And then
kasalanan
he could
nito?
not sleep well.
Sabi ka, kasi mag-usap ka.
Remove it all.
Gusto mo
Remove it all.
magilitan? Ha? Ba't mo nalagyan ng sakit to? Nagalit ka ba dito? Ha? Nagalit ka? Ano pangalan ng katawan nito? Anong pangalan?
Okay, no more na.
Pangalan mo?
It's hot. It's hot. Ah.
Pangalan ng katawan? Pangalan ng katawan? Ano? Tagalin mo lahat. Simutin mo yung bukol. Tagalin mo yung bukol na yan. Alam mo saan yung lagay eh. Gagaling na to ha.
Sorry.
Ha?
I'm sorry.
Tawad. Tawad.
I'm sorry.
Tawad.
I'm sorry.
Inglesero na.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir.
Inglesero na.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Hindi mo ito babalikan ha. Ha?
Sorry. Sorry.
You take away all. You take away all.
Yes. Oh, love it. Sorry. Oh, sorry.
Is there's nothing left?
No more.
No more. You destroy the ritual.
Yes.
The picture and the name. You tear it apart.
Oh, yes. Throw it.
You tear. Take away the noodles. Destroy the ritual. Destroy the ritual. Slowly. Don't hurt the body. You WTF. You know the WTF? That's you. What nationality are you? Ah? You are from US?
Yeah.
You are American?
Yes.
You are American, ha? Are you beautiful? Tama na nga, patatawarin ba to?
Sige, patay mo na.
Ha?
Patay mo
Ano mo
na.
sabi, Naji?
Sabi niya, pag daw, pagalingi lang daw
Tanong mo muna.
Naji, are you pretty sure that you want to forgive her?
Sorry.
Because my decision is I want to kill her now. I want to kill her.
Oh. What we gonna do to you?
It's possible she can...
You tell me.
Sorry.
You want to retire?
No.
You want to resign?
No.
Ah?
No.
You want your birthday become November 1?
No, sir. No.
Hey.
No.
Listen. You want your birthday become November 1?
Okay daw, sige, patayin na daw.
Ah? Oh, I'm sorry. Naji said your birthday will remove on November 1.
Sorry, sir.
Ah?
Sorry.
Oh.
Naji, he decided to kill you now. Sorry.
Ah? Okay, your birthday will remove on November 1, okay? Ah? Okay? Okay? Balik. Tubig. Minum. Layo yung tinakbo mo na naman. Lugi mo to.
Gusto naman yan.
Ayan. Ako.
Wala yung linakbay niyo.
Oo. Ayan, next video tayo.
Mayroon na tayo sideline. Dito. Magsa-sideline tayo dito.
Grabe si ate.
Taga-meter ka na.
Baka maban ka dito.
Bakit?
Naku, ubus na naman.
Balik lang kayo sa bahay. Saan mo yan nilalagay?
Ate, ano pangalan mo?
Corazon po.
Corazon.
Michelle ka kanina eh.
Hindi ba Michelle pangalan mo? Alam mo ba sinabi mo Michelle pangalan mo kanina?
Wala po.
Inglesera ka pala, te.
Ha?
Magaling ka pala mag-Ingles.
Magaling eh.
Ha?
Hindi.
Ito yung...
You talk English later eh. Ha? Ay, after, before. Ewan.
Ito ate yung tinulungan mo ate.
Marunong ka ba mag-English?
Okay na.
Say thank you na.
Wala, Inglesera, naging Inglesera si ate. Yeah.
Hindi na tuloy makapagsalita.
Ayan po ang tinulungan niya. Oh. Nag-video siya. No? Taga ibang bansa yung tinulungan niya, ibang lahi. Ayan po. Pakita mo. Ayan siya, ayan yung tinulungan niya. Taga ibang bansa, taga saan ba yan?
Morocco.
Taga Morocco yung tinulungan niya. Ayan. At ang nahuli, taga Amerika. US, no? O yan, taga US nahuli natin. Kaya napalaban tayo ng English. Dugo ang ilong ni Arjuna. Okay, babush mga idol.